Hello viewers, welcome to Gardening is My Love. In this episode, let me bring before you Bilimbi fruit, and the Bilimbi leaves are here. To know more about the Bilimbi, let us go through this video. Averoa Bilimbi is a popular fruit in several South Asian countries. It is used for infusing flavored soups, dal and curries. Besides its refreshing aroma and zestly taste, it confers umpteen benefits for human health such as managing diabetes, treating hypertension, remedying hemorrhoids, strengthening bones and soothing cough and cold. Bilimbi, also being its Hindi name, the tree grows widely in warm tropical environments of Southeast Asia, in Indonesia, Malaysia, India, Sri Lanka and Maldives. It is popularly called as cucumber tree, tree sorrel, bumbling plum, pickle fruit, etc. It is called as Vilumpi in Malayalam, Gommareku in Telugu. It belongs to the Carambola family. It is a short perennial tree with a maximum height of 10 meters, and its pale green leaves are alternatively arranged. Apart from fruits, the seeds and flowers of the Bilimbi tree also possess significant therapeutic values and are used in the many different herbal remedies. The Bilimbi fruit displays an impressive nutrient profile. In addition to carbohydrates, fibers, proteins, these tangy small fruits contain profuse amounts of vitamin C, B vitamin, calcium, iron, flavonoids, tannins and terpenes. These nourishing components work in synergy to offer amazing wellness incentives for overall health of our body. Bilimbi fruits are today cultivated in hot regions across the globe, including United States, Australia and South American nations. Now let me bring you the countless benefits of Bilimbi. Firstly, it regulates blood sugar levels. It possesses the valuable quantity of controlling blood sugar levels by monitoring insulin activity in the body. Second, it helps manage hypertension. The treasure trove of antioxidants and proteins in Bilimbi fruit makes it a wonderful natural remedy for lowering high blood pressure and hypertension. Consume a decoction of Bilimbi fruit boiled in hot water. Thirdly, it effectively treats hemorrhoids. It comprises potent anti-inflammatory elements, namely tannins and terpenes. These help to lessen swelling in the veins of anus and rectum. Apply the fruit and leaf extracts onto the affected regions immediately to reduce pain in the anus and rectum. Fourth, it cures cough and cold. It's a natural remedy for cough and cold. The vast reserves of vitamin C in Bilimbi confer splendid benefits for the functioning of the immune system. This will help in treating coughs and colds due to seasonal changes and allergies. Fifth, it fortifies bone health. It is loaded with generous amounts of calcium. Eating Bilimbi extracts in the form of dried fruit and adding it to curries, dals and pickles remarkably toughens and strengthens our bones. Sixth, it resolves acne. It is loaded with vitamin C, oxalic acid and vitamin A. Applying a paste of mashed Bilimbi pulp along with honey on the face once in a week for visibly change in your complexion. It diminishes dark spots, scars, blemishes, lessens swelling, pimples for a soft, clear and glowing skin. Seventh, it eases muscle cramps, a storehouse of phytonutrients that possess powerful analgesic and anti-inflammatory properties. Massaging the arms, legs and body with a herbal paste of crushed Bilimbi leaves provides instant relief from muscle strain, while drinking juice gives also instant relief from muscle spasm. Side effects: it is a nutrient rich fruit and it is safe for consumption when taken in moderate amounts, while lots of Bilimbi taken regularly results in indigestion, heartburns and other gastrointestinal problems. Always something in large quantities is bad. Secondly, it is rich in oxalic acid and if ingested in large amounts can lead to kidney stones. Therefore, it must be always kept in mind to always eat Bilimbi in measured quantities. This video is for educational purpose only. If anybody wants to use Bilimbi for consumption, always take the help of medical practitioner. So thank you for watching this episode. If you are not subscribed to my channel, Gardening is My Love, please do subscribe, like, comment and share. So thank you for your valuable time.